Good evening everybody, welcome back to our channel. Let's get straight into this. So we're busy getting our temporary installation of the engine ready. We're fine-tuning the carburetors. We are testing the pumps and our electrical. You can see it's a mess, but it is temporary. So the carburetor is a little bit sticky. It's all part of the fine-tuning on this temporary engine start. Tonight we're going to start this engine. Believe it or not, after 50 plus years this engine is going to start. Hold thumbs, guys. Obviously the radiator needs to be secured. That's what that lever is for. So our hose is damaged and we are trying to remedy the case just as a temporary fix still. I don't know if you guys noticed, but that white is it's a plumbing pipe for your toilet, I think. So we're gonna use a bit of a crapper installation here. No, I'm sorry, not crapper. It is actually from a basin, not off the toilet. But it seems to be working. It fits okay on the engine. And let's
okay, out of gear. Well, that's got no gear.
Oh, there's no problem. Oh, this is on it.
Let me see what happens. Just spin it. We get ready to pull it out. Hold it. Let me try it. Just put it and see if it's good. There's a bit of compression. Go again.
Everything is looking pretty damn good. I've got good feelings about this. We've got fuel, we've got spark. I think it's just our air mixture that is still not 100%. We are still fine-tuning those carbs.
Something sounding sexy, eh?
Yes, something sounding sexy. Let's try again a bit more tuning. I am sure we're going to get this engine running very soon. 50 years of standing. After 50 plus years. Because you want me to put water.
You must multitask.
You must multitask in your arm long enough.
Wow, that sounded amazing, but there's still, it still sounds like there's, well, it sounds like there's a bit of a mist to it. So we are still fiddling around and trying things and we're gonna get it going much better. You guys that don't like the sound of this music track, please just find another video to watch. I hope it's not too boring, but I think this is the most amazing sound. Testing the spark plugs the old-fashioned way. Let's hope we don't get shocked. Not sure what the exhaust shop did, but they did put some silicone substance. I'm used to gum. This is some silicone stuff, and it's smoking like crazy. It looks like it's burning the seal closed. Yeah, guys, it's weird. So we established cylinder number 5 and 6 has got no spark. So we're going to swap out the spark plugs.
Okay. You need to be clean. Let's take these plugs out and clean them, or change them for new plugs. That's not bad for a first attempt, guys. It doesn't sound bad at all.
So we're neatening up a little bit. We found an oil leak on the gauge, so we're gonna just remount it somewhere else. No need for that extra piece of pipe. That's mainly for the inside the dash, so we'll get that fixed later. This is just so we can monitor the motor, or actually just close the oil feeds. Removing plugs. We bought brand new plugs. I'm not sure what size. We're topping up some oil. Good choice. Obviously we spilled a bit. But yeah, guys, after 50 years, this is freaking amazing. I cannot believe it. Surely 50 plus year, 50 plus year old spark plugs probably is going to fail. Well, at least only 2 out of the 6 failed 50 years later. Amazing, guys. Why do we need to change plugs every 15,000 Ks? She sounds a lot better with the new plugs, ain't it? So with this test run, we obviously seeing all the Welsh plugs leaking. We will get to that, guys. We will get to that. Let's just hear this baby purr. The cat is alive.
Straight up bend it anymore. Okay, push your clutch, let's see. Let's push your clutch. Okay. Okay, let's start it.
What a quick start. So let's quickly test the clutch. The clutch is quite hard to push. I think we need to lube that the joints, the lever or something, I don't know. But also I'm standing in an awkward position, so maybe that's it. It seems to be working. I managed to get some gears, and the drive shaft, I don't know what it's called, guys. I don't know what I'm doing here. That's why I'm paying for people to do the work for me. So, talking about payment. So, talking about payment, if anybody can give me any advice or any help on how to make a proper video with a script and all of those things, I don't know how to do that. I could not even write an essay in school. So I'm a little bit illiterate for this. Anybody who's willing to help me or sponsor something, we would mostly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Not all the gears are working. We got like 1, 2 and 3. We couldn't get it in 4th. We did get it into 4th eventually, but the 5th gear, the reverse gear, the reverse gear, we couldn't get it into that. So we obviously need to work on the gearbox a bit. This is music to my ears. I'm sorry for the boring soundtrack, but guys, I love it. I know my wife don't, but this is such a beautiful soundtrack. I want to play it in my car all day long. I must say, it sounds very beautiful, but it's loud. And for the type of car it is, I don't know if it should be this loud. Give me your comments, guys. Should it be loud and beautiful like a hot rod, or should it sound 1938? That obviously means I'm going to have to put 2 more silencers in.
Why is that one not going? Why is that not
This is making me think of my dad. I wish he was here. I hope he would have been proud. I can just hear my dad screaming from the heavens above. Why are you spending so much money? I love you, Dad. I miss you a lot, Dad. I wish you were here. So that is it, guys, for tonight. In the next video, we're going to work some more in this engine and do some other work as well. This project is making good steps. It's costing a shitload. It's costing a lot of money. And guys, if there's anybody willing to sponsor some video, muchas gracias. Please get in touch. All the details are in the description below. We really appreciate your views. Thank you, guys. Again, please subscribe. Smash that like button and comment. Even if it's a bad comment, I don't care. YouTube might care, I don't care. Just throw those comments out there. We would really appreciate it. And thank you again for watching. I hope you've got a wonderful evening. Good night.